So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you all how I try to redecorate my wall with this wall decal that I've ordered from Amazon. As you can see, I'm just trying to remove the staple pins that are on it, and it's come in this tube sort of a packaging, and when you open it you find these wall decal stickers inside. And very soon I'm going to show you how everything looks, and this is how it looks. There are three parts to this sticker. This is the first one, that's the flower pot. Then there are these two creepers, and this is the main part of the wall decal that will come right in the middle of the creeper and the flower pot. So to start with it, I'm just gonna separate all the three of them so that it's easier for me to put up on the wall. I'm just gonna separate the creeper, the flower pot, and the window. And also there are these two ropes that are given to attach near the wall, near the flower pot. To start with the application, you need like a towel to clean your wall. You don't want any dust stuck to it which will hinder your sticking the sticker on the wall. So that's about it. And next you need your wall decal, obviously. So let's get started. Now if you have like a bigger wall, then you will need planning and plotting and measuring where you exactly want your wall decal to be. But since my wall is pretty small and the wall decal is smaller, so I'm just gonna go with my intuition kind of a thing, and I'm just gonna figure out what the middle parting is, and I'm gonna keep it like that. Next I'm gonna take a scotch tape to secure the wall decal wherever I want to do it, so I don't lose out on the placing. That's it. And that was clearly a very big fail. So I'm just gonna put more scotch tape and secure it properly so it doesn't fall again. Next I'm just gonna remove the first layer of the sticker and stick it on the wall, and as you go by you remove the layer beneath it so that the sticker gets onto the wall. There are two types of wall decals. This is the first one that I have over here. That's the easiest. You just remove the layer beneath it and you stick it to the wall. The second one, you have to remove the wall layer under it, as well as there's a layer over it. So I didn't get that one. I have this one. So as you can see, I'm being very patient. I'm trying to rub it as and when it's getting stuck to the wall. You have to be patient in this. You don't want any bubbles or you don't want any creases coming. And yeah, that's just how you go. Then I'm gonna take a sharp object, and the comb was the sharpest next to me. So I'm just gonna go around throughout the wall decal and make sure that there are no bubbles or creases. Next I'm gonna take the second part, that is the flower pot and the rope. So it was really simple for me to apply the rope because it's really thin and it was easy. And in case you think that it's not stuck properly, you can remove it and put it back. Now the thing about flower pot was it was a little difficult to fix it on the wall because the flowers were really delicate and they were getting messed up among themselves. So you have to be patient. It is the key, guys. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just doing that. And the third part is the creeper. This was the easiest actually. So yeah, it's just the normal way. So guys, I hope you all like this wall decal, and yeah, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know how you like it, and see you in my next video. Bye.